Okay, super straightforward. If DEF, angle DEF is 119, then what are FEG? FEG is this one. You can see that they are a linear pair, and so they need to sum to 180. So we could do 180 minus 119, 61 degrees. Okay, and what's the measure of HEG? Well, HEG is a vertical angle to the red one, DEF, that we were given, and since it's a vertical angle, it's got to be congruent. So we have 61 degrees and 119 degrees. That's response D. Quick and easy, we're done.